Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
So, very good morning to one and all. Students, in last lecture we have learned mixed fraction. In the mixed fraction we have learned quarter, half and 3/4 of mixed fraction. Okay, students. Now today we are going to learn exercise of this lesson. So, open your book, page number 56. Okay, students. So, read the question. What is this? Read with me. Read the following fractions and write them in words. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकल में आपको फ्रैक्शन दिए, वो रीड करना है और आपको वो वर्ड में लिखना है. सो रीड व्हाट इज दिस? 2 and yes. So 3/4 means 3/4. So how to write this? 2 and 3/4. How to write this? 2 and 3/4. Okay. See how to write this? 1/4 means कितने? 4 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट means कितना? Quarter. Yes. 4 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट means quarter. So how to write here? 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter. So 3 and a quarter. 1 quarter means quarter. So quarter लिखा के भी चलता है. See how to write this? 2 पार्ट बनाते हैं, एक पार्ट के 2 पार्ट बनाते हैं और 2 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट मीन्स कितने? 2 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट, 1 चपाती उसके 2 पार्ट बनाए और 2 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट मीन्स yes. So how to read this? 11 and a half. So how to write this? 11 and a half. 11 and a half. Okay. See how to read this? 5 and yes, 5 and 3/4. So 5 and 3/4. Okay. See. So 2 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट means 2 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट means so again आप बोल सकते हैं 2 पार्ट में से 1 पार्ट means yes. एक कैडबरी आप दोनों भाई को खानी है तो आप कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे ना. तो 2 पार्ट बनाएंगे उसके और 1 पार्ट आप लेंगे. दैट इज अ हाफ. सो 9 and half. 9 and a half. See. So how to write this? 8 and yes, 8 and a 8 and a half. Okay. See. How to write this? 4 and 3. Yes, 4 and a 3/4. 4 and a 3/4. Okay. See. Tell me. 6.5. Good. 6 and a half. 6 and a half. Okay. See, next question is read each of the following and write the fraction. Yes. Here what to do? Here you have given the fraction in words and you have to write the fraction in numbers. Okay. So 4 and 3/4. So students, how to write this? 4 and 3/4 means 4 part में से कितने part? 3 part means 3/4. Okay? So 10 and half. So how to write this? 10 and half means 1/2. Half means yes, 1/2. See, read this. Yes, 14 and 3/4. So how to write this? 14 and 3/4 means 3/4. See, 7 and 1/4. So 1/4 means 1/4 means 1/4 and 3/4 means 3/4. So 7 and 1/4. So how to write this? 7 and 1/4 means 1/4. Top. Yes, tell me. 7 means 7 and 1/4 means 7 and 1/4. 1/4. Yes. 1/4 means 1/4 and 3/4 means 3/4. So next is 18 and a half. So how to write this? 18 and a half means 1/2 and a half means 1/2. Okay, got it everyone? Yes or no? So 19 and a quarter. 19 and a quarter means 9 and 1/4. 9 and 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4. Yes, 1/4. And 3/4 means yes, 3/4. So 1/4 means 1/4. So 9 and 1/4 means 9 and 1/4. Yes, 7 and half. Half means 7 and half means 1/2. Yes, half means yes, students. Every time I am saying you half means 1/2. Quarter means 1/4. Yes, quarter means 1/4. 3/4 means yes, 3/4.